Bay Area Driving Academy, offering world-class driver training. We have over 350 five-star reviews. Here is what our clients are saying. Each instructor was incredibly supportive, patient, and professional. They helped me build solid driving skills and, most importantly, gain the confidence I needed. Thanks to their guidance, I passed my driving exam. Natalia, San Jose. My pre-test preparedness and test day assist courses prepared me incredibly well for the test. Can very highly recommend. Alyssa, San Francisco. I'm an adult new driver who started with a lot of driving anxiety, which both instructors handled with ease. Made me feel very safe knowing that they knew the mistakes I was going to make before I could even make them. They also gave very gentle but thorough feedback and corrections throughout that helped a ton when practicing at home. B, San Jose. The instructors were kind and provided helpful feedback, which really boosted my confidence in driving. With their help, I passed my test on my first attempt. Katrina, Sunnyvale. Read more reviews and schedule your lesson online now at bayareadrivingacademy.com.